We have given table with temperatures in New York City, and we have to find the average temperature. How we do this? To find the average, we have to find first the sum of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 results, and next the sum we need to divide by 7 because we have 7 numbers in the set. So let's do this. Because here we have like decimal point, so we have to add 7 decimal numbers. So we have to align decimal points. So we have 47 decimal point 5, 50 decimal point 6, 54 decimal point 5, 59 decimal point 0, 60 decimal point 0, 61 decimal point 6, 58 decimal point 8. We have to add these 7 numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus 6 it will be 22, plus 8 is 30, so we have 0 and 3 we have to add to next column, so it will be 10, 14, 23, 24, 32, we keep decimal point exactly in the same column, we have to write 2 and 3 we add to next column, so we have 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 10 is 22, 28, 34, so it will be 39. And now the sum we need to divide by the numbers of temperature. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 numbers. So we divide 3, 9, 2 decimal point 0 by 7. Divisor is whole number, so we can do long division. So it will be, let me set this, we have 7, 3, 9, 2 decimal point 0. How many times 7 goes to 39? 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Now we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. We don't have to write. We have to take down next digit. So we have 42. Divided by 7 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtraction will be 0. We don't have to write. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column and we take down next digit, but this is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. So our, and of course if you want we can multiply, 0 times 7 is 0. So we finish long division. Our solution is 56 decimal point 0. This is average temperature. Of course, Fahrenheit.